Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu states, two men reviled each other. One was Jew and the other was a Muslim. The Muslim said by him who signaled out Hazrat Muhammad S.A.W. from all over the worlds. The Jew said by him who signaled out Hazrat Moses ﷺ from all over the world. The Muslim whereupon lifted his hand and slapped the Jew on his face. That Jew entered the presence of Allah's Apostle ﷺ and notified him of what happened between him and the Muslim. Allah's Apostle ﷺ said, "Don't give me superiority over Hazrat Moses ﷺ, because the people will sown on the resurrection day, and I will recover first to see Hazrat Moses ﷺ holding a corner of the throne. I don't know by conjecture whether he will faint and come round before me, or he is one of those people whom Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has exempted from this sown." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6103.